Tired of your phone dying? The Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger is your ultimate power solution, keeping all your devices charged on the go. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, this powerhouse can charge an iPhone 6 over 6 times, perfect for long trips or busy days. What makes it truly special is Anker's renowned reliability and advanced technology, ensuring consistent, safe charging every time. Thanks to PowerIQ intelligent charging, it automatically detects and delivers the fastest possible charge to any device, optimizing speed without compromise. If you're looking for the best portable charger that actually delivers, you've found it. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can charge 2 devices simultaneously. Say goodbye to fighting over outlets. Don't miss out on this incredible device. Check out the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh for yourself, using the link in the description below. It's the perfect companion for travel, work, or just daily peace of mind, knowing your devices will always have juice. Investing in this Anker power bank means investing in freedom from low battery anxiety and a truly reliable power source. For anyone wanting the ultimate power solution in 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh is an absolute must-buy.